Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zeeshan Shukoor. I am a 7th semester student of BS Chemical Engineering in PIEAS. I got into chemical engineering because I like the process of converting a raw stuff into useful product. But there is a kind of process in between these two things. So that process is basically controlled by chemical engineers and industries. There are many industries in chemical engineering, like food industry, cement industry, chemical industries. So in all of those industries, they basically use a raw material and convert it into the useful product that has a higher value and can be used by human beings directly. So this was the reason that I chose this field. Main chemical engineering subjects are chemical process principles, chemical engineering thermodynamics, process heat transfer, fluid mechanics, separation processes, process modeling and design, process optimization, and similarly process dynamics. So these are the main core subjects that we studied in your 4 years of chemical engineering. So you just need the basic understanding of thermodynamics, like heat, temperature, pressure, and all those basic concepts that are basically studied in FSC. So this is all about that. There are many job opportunities in chemical engineering. For example, you can get a job in NESCOM, fertilizer industries, food industries, chemical industries, cement industries. So there are many industries that are basically working in Pakistan, but there are very limited uh, job opportunities, of course, in Pakistan. But you can get a job easily if you have a high skill in chemical engineering. So it all depends upon your own hard work, smart work during these 4 years of undergraduate studies. There are three universities that are offering chemical engineering: NUSH, PIAS, and UETs. So if you are thinking to get enrolled in chemical engineering from any of the prestigious universities of Pakistan, I have a really good advice for you that all the subjects in chemical engineering are basically connected. Like the kind of concept you are studying in the first semester will be used in the 7th semester, 8th semester as well. For example, in chemical process principle, you are studying it in first semester, you will have understanding of material balances. So this material balances concept will be used in the later on subject, later on semesters as well. All of these things are connected. Every next semester is connected to the previous semester. So if you could not get the good concepts in previous semester, you will use those concepts in the next semester, and you can master those concepts as well. So you should not get worried about anything that you could not learn in previous semester. You will have the opportunity of learning those things in the next semester. My own experience in chemical engineering from PIAS is really good. A lot of concepts I studied in starting semesters that I thought are really difficult and I was not being able to understand. I used those concepts in 6th and 7th semesters, and I got really good interest in this field. So I will be suggesting you that if you are studying in chemical engineering and you are in your first, second, and third semester, and you are thinking that something is really difficult and you are not getting good grades in it, and you are not getting, you are not understanding those concepts, those are really difficult concepts, then you should not get worried about that, because as you move along, you will be using those concepts in different areas, different subjects in a really easy way. And as you move along, you will have a better understanding of those concepts.